Hello, today we are going to delete multiple record with the behalf of bulk deletion tool in XRM toolbox. So today firstly I will tell you about our requirement, and client will they provide approximately 4,000 record they want to delete from the system on the behalf of entity IDs, GUIDs, and approximately in the on the CRM system, approximately they have the around 4,942 records are there, and the client want to delete the 4,000 record only remaining. He want to work only remaining 9,042 records. It's a very difficult task to how to delete. So firstly, I will show how to delete this record. So with the behalf of XRM toolbox. So firstly, I will open the XRM toolbox. Sorry, XRM toolbox. Approximately, so I will show it these records we want to be deleted. So first it will be open. So no update right now, no thanks, it's closed. And firstly we will connect. So here we are going to firstly connect with our environment like S365 smart environment, and I want to connect with that one. Okay, it's now connected. So I go to the toolbox and find the bulk delete tools. Yeah, it's already downloaded. It's not download. So firstly, you can download it, and after then you can firstly install it from the configuration available app. Not right here, and the tools like this. Yeah. Okay, it's here. So firstly, I will select the entity which you want to. I want to delete an application. An application is they have two options to select a source using CRM view fetch XML query or using custom fetch XML based query. So we have to provide our query. So we will use custom fetch XML based query. So we want to prepare for the fetch XML query for this record we want to delete. So firstly, I will download one fetch XML report from with the help of advanced find. So I'm going to an advanced find. Okay, it's already open, so I will close it and need to open it again. So go here, advanced settings, and the advanced find. Here to I will download the fetch XML report to delete the two records. We cannot and the any view, no problem, and the selected and the application number and the value is equal to, yeah, I will select this ones and added, and now we can download our the fetch XML file. So firstly, we have download the fetch XML file. Here we can show the value UI name is this, and the application ID GUID is this. Want to delete it, so I want to delete the record on the behalf of GUID. So I will remove the name of the users and remove of the one record line and okay, and I will open a new file. Okay, and go to the Excel file and control C, paste all the record which you want to delete it and paste it here right now and go to control home here approximately right there, control plus and 4000 record UID which you want to delete. And firstly I will change the as per the required format, control plus space up, select them which you want as per the standard format which you want, control copy and control plus home, hold shift and paste down, control V, and the last line is 4001. We don't need, so we delete this line record. And again go to the previous file, page up and delete the last text which we want on our record, copy it and go to the again file and control shift plus space up. Just 1 minute. I think we have copied the wrong syntax to start the record. Just 1 second. Value. Okay. When I have delete the last line record, control Y. Okay, so all record line are selected. So firstly I will remove it. Control C plus page down, control shift page up. Okay, now it will save it. And firstly I will go it here and control plus home, control G 501, control X. And selected the record, control Z, control S. Check. Alt control S. Not to be press control S because when you press the control S, application 1 and saved it. Okay, and now we will press control Z and the page down and again press control G 501 and shift plus page up, control X and the control plus page up and paste it at here and the control shift S and applications 2. I think why this is shown again and again. Yes, yes, yes. Oval, I think is yes, and advanced. I don't know why this message show again and again. So it's application 2 and we can save it. Okay, and we can go again, page down, Control G, 501, Alt plus F4, Control plus G, Control plus G, 501, Control plus 501, not to press the 500 only. On the end, Shift plus space up, Control X, Control X. Control V and back. Control S, save file 3, page down, Alt Control G, 501, page up, Control X, page down, Control Z, Control V, backspace, Control S, and the file number is 4, and go back again, page down, Control G, 501, I think the 2D code which we have already that file. Okay, and now in this file we will paste all data code which we want. Control place it down. Control G, 500. Shift plus space up. Control X. Stop. Paste here. Control S. Application file. And go back again. Control G. क्या हुआ? हम्म, बढ़िया, अच्छी बात है। हम्म। I will delete all the file which was already open. No. My file was remaining 8. I think one file is missing due to any reason. So firstly, I will check which file was missing. No. Control Z, Control Z, Control Y, Control Y. This 4000 records approximately. Okay. And now I will go on the our document tab and note the file is here. And I think all file will be go in the downloads. And I will all open the fact XML file, open new records. Open. I think the 6th to 7th file, all file will be open. And in the first file, the find. This was the first record. Okay, I think the first file will be okay. And now I will open the second file. how to it will be showed. This will be hide it right now. We are unable to see the command 45C in application 2. Control C. Control C. Fine. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And file number 3. एक हजार एक. Okay. File number 4. पंद्रह सौ एक. File number 5. File number 5. Fine. Next. Just 1 second. File number 5. Start from 2 5. Structure from 3. Number 7. Start. File number 7. Start for 3 5. Okay, it's a good. And the file number 6. Okay, the file is 3000 to 3005. 1000 to 3000 is missing. Okay, Control G, page down, hmm, page up, control copy, and the file number is this. Delete it. Control Alt S, Shift S, and the application number is 8. Okay. And now obviously I will close all the files right now. And here I will refresh it and the application it is also come, and now I will open all the 8 files. Open it. No, I don't want to save that. Okay. Saved it, and firstly I will copy one by one all file and copy and paste in the fact XML bulk deletion tool and control V and validate the query. Approximately they have validating approx 500 record. Now click on deleting the record. It will delete all the record. It will take some time to deleting the record. Approximately they have deleted the 500 records on the first batch in 1 minute, and okay, go to the in file, and this file we need to close it and go to the application app to control. क्या हुआ? Validate the query. Hmm. And deleting the record. 501 the record file we found it. I think it will take some times. Does not to be processed more than. Okay. and the file to them. Now we will work on the file 3, control C. किसने कहा था जाने कब भाई उठ गया ठंड लग रही है and this file also delete control plus home approximately the 09DE record. Okay, one file is also deleted. Control C. And see that approximately 4 files of 5,000 records we have deleted. Approximately 2,000 records we have deleted. I will go here and check the record status in the application, like refresh approximately 4,000. 2,000 record will be deleted right now.